Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another Python practice video breakdown. Today I am on Data and Motions Week 19 coding question. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a real simple one. The problem is to create a function that takes a number and returns its length. And as you can see, that gives a few examples what the test cases should return. So let's go ahead and get started on our solution function. So only thing we're returning is the length of the num. So because you can't get the length or run the length method on a integer, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to convert that num to a string. If this string can be treated as a list, we'll then use the length function to return the length of the number. So it's just simple as return, and then we're going to call the length function, and inside the length function we're going to have num, but we're going to convert it to a string. So it'll be string, and then inside there you'll put num, and that's about it. It's as simple as that. So let's go ahead and test this. Python 3, and there you have it, 2, 4, and 1. Straightforward. Let me know if you would have did anything differently. Let me know if you have any tips, and have a great day. Bye bye.